Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Jeff Peng. This will be a quick 5-minute stretch and exercise routine to help provide relief for elbow pain. Now this will be a really good routine, especially if you are suffering from tennis elbow or golfer's elbow, or if you just have elbow discomfort in general. Now I recommend doing these stretches and exercises at least 3 times a day because that will help increase mobility and increase range of motion. Follow along with the video as we go through all the movements in real time. You can also use the timestamps or find the movements in the descriptions found below. The first thing we're going to do is a warm-up. So we're first going to work on wrist flexion and wrist extension. So just bend your wrist or wrist flexion and extend it. And we're just going to do this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next thing we're going to do is pronation and supination. So supination is palm up, pronation is palm down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do some stretches. So extend your wrist like this and pull it back. And we're going to hold this stretch for 30 seconds. And what you want to do is to have your elbow fully extended, extend your wrist, and then use this other hand to gently pull back. Now the reason we're working on stretching out our wrist is because all of the muscles that control our wrist are actually in our forearm. And as we get into 30 seconds here, we're going to switch into flexion. Okay, go ahead and switch into flexion. So bend your wrist now and pull back. And so all our muscles in our forearm help control our wrist, but they all insert on our elbows. And so tennis elbow is caused by an extensor tendinopathy, and golfer's elbow is caused by a flexor tendinopathy. And so the muscles in our forearms tend to get really tight. And so it's really important that we work on stretching all of these muscles out to help relieve pain. So 30 seconds, almost up, in 3, 2, 1, good. So we're going to move into some exercises now. So you can use a can of soup, you can use a dumbbell, I have a 2-pound dumbbell, you can use a water bottle. What you want to do is fully extend your arm and hold that dumbbell, and we're going to work on some wrist flexions, and we're going to do this 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do wrist extension, so the opposite. So now we're going to go this way, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next thing we're going to work on is resisted pronation and supination. So holding that dumbbell again, or a water bottle or a can of soup, you're going to just rotate back and forth and go slowly. So we're going to pronate and supinate, and we're going to do this for a total of 30 seconds. And just go very slowly with the motions, and we're just working on rotating our forearm back and forth, back and forth. And you're going to work all the muscles in your forearms when you're doing this, both the flexor side as well as the extensor side, as well as the pronation and the supinating muscles back and forth. Okay, good, 30 seconds. Now we're going to move on into a towel twist. So grab a small towel, hold it in front of you, and then just twist it back and forth. I'm going to do this 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last exercise we're going to do is working on grip strength. Now if you have a stress ball, you can use that, or you could take that same towel, roll it into a ball, and then just grip it. And so what you want to do is you just want to try to hold and squeeze. Now you don't have to squeeze it, you don't have to have a death grip, but you can just try to put some tension in there. I'm going to do this for a total of 30 seconds. Now you can hold it for maybe anywhere between 3 to 5 seconds, and then relax, and then go back in and try to work on squeezing in. This is going to work both the flexor compartment of your forearm as well as the extensor compartment of your forearm. And so this is a great exercise for pain at the inside of the elbow or pain at the outside of the elbow. Okay, and 30 seconds in 3, 2, 1. I hope you found this useful. Remember, 5 minutes, that's all it takes to stretch out and to strengthen your elbow. Try to do this routine 3 times a day to help provide relief for your elbow pain.